As a modern composite material, vitreous enamel panel, VETOP, fuses a thin, inorganic, glassy coating under high temperature over decarbonized steel substrate. With outstanding durability, aesthetics and construction convenience, functional enamel panels are being increasingly utilized for architectural and decorative applications, including wall claddings in metro stations, tunnels, schools, as well as clinics and operation rooms. Though it is a challenging task to keep the users protected from spread of germs and viruses in such public and hygiene-demanding facilities. The traditional spray-applied antibacterial products are, however, ineffective, short-lived, and economically not viable. Therefore, an all-in-one self-cleaning and antibacterial vitreous enamel topcoat is crucial for a safe and sustainable living environment. Through nano-modification technology, a novel, thermal, stable and permanent vitreous enamel topcoat has been developed with dramatically enhanced level of resistance to microbes, molds, bacteria and fungi. The latest invention in advanced functional material paves for a wider application of the new generation of VETOP, which is probably the best vitreous enamel panel. By implanting nanoparticles of metal compound such as silver, zinc and copper, VETOP's antibacterial enamel topcoat with a double layer approach is effective against microorganisms, achieving an antibacterial efficacy of over 99% for both Escherichia coli and Staphylococcus aureus, the most common source of infection. In addition, the enamel topcoat is self-cleaning with embedded inorganic hydrophilic modifiers, facilitating maximum spread out of water droplets to get between any fouling debris and the topcoat to wash away the debris, realizing a long-lasting fresh outlook of the VETOP products. Optimized formulation with selected nano-modifiers with better thermal stability. The all-in-one multifunctional topcoat, being fired at about 850 degrees Celsius, empowers the state-of-the-art vitreous enamel panel, excellent gloss level, chemical resistance, as well as resistance to flame spread and scratch resistance. With low maintenance rate and color diversity, the self-cleaning and antibacterial vitreous enamel panel offers a technological breakthrough solution, contributing to a cleaner and safer living environment. VETOP panels possess a promising market potential with a wide range of interior and exterior applications. This multifunctional, decorative and highly durable eco-construction material will be in production and launched into the market in early 2020.